Good morning, my dear students. Welcome you all to this session. Today's class, we are going to continue exercise 10.3. Okay, in the previous class, we have discussed till this problem, right? 10th problem, A subdivision. So first, they will be giving you one figure. We should find the total area of this figure by splitting them into small rectangles. Okay, the same problem, B subdivision, we have to start. Okay, so this is what the figure which they have given. So I'm just going to recreate the same, I'm just going to draw the same figure. Okay, I'm just drawing this as like a same. Okay, so this is your 3, 5, 3, 1, 2, 1. Okay, this is what the diagram. Okay, now I have to segregate them into small rectangles, right? So first I'll start with this. Okay, so this is what your see, this is 1 centimeter, right? First I'm just going to split this, or you can frame like this, or you can frame like this. 3 rectangles you will get. Okay, I'm just going to split like this. I'm going to split this. So this is 1 centimeter, means this is also 1 centimeter. If this is 1 centimeter, means this one is also 1 centimeter. Okay, so these two are 1 centimeter. If this length is 2 centimeter, means this length is also 2 centimeter. So this one is also 2 centimeter. This one is also 2 centimeter. So a 2 centimeter length, 1 centimeter breadth. 2 centimeter length, 1 centimeter breadth. Now this whole thing is 5, means 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. This whole thing is 5. Correct? Next, okay, this total length is 3. In that, from this to this, it is 2. So what is the remaining here? 1. If this is 1, this is also 1. Okay, so this is how you should segregate it. Okay, so first, what is this? This is your, this full value is 2. So this is also 2 centimeter. This value is 1. This is also 1. Next, this is 3. This is 1, 3 plus 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So this is also 5. 5 centimeter length, 1 centimeter breadth. So this is 2, this is also 2, this is 1. So 2 centimeter length and 1 centimeter breadth. So here how many, we have how many rectangles in this diagram, children? First rectangle, second rectangle, third rectangle, right? So I am going to name this A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay, I have just named this rectangles. So A, B, C, J is second rectangle. J, G, H, I is first rectangle. E, F, C, D is the third rectangle. So this is what the rectangles. So I have split this figure into 3 small rectangles. So shall we find the area of the first rectangle now? Area of first rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Correct? What is the length of this first rectangle? 2. What is the breadth? 1. 2 ones are 2 square centimeter. Why it is in centimeter? Because the measures are given in centimeter. Next, area of second rectangle. What is the area of the second rectangle? Same, L into B. What is the length of the rectangle? 5. What is the breadth? 1. 5 ones are 5 square centimeter. 5 ones are 5 square centimeter. Next, area of third rectangle. Area of third rectangle is what? L into B. What is the third length? 2. What is the breadth? 1. 2 ones are 2 square centimeter. So now I have found the area of first, second and third. So what is the total area now? total area is equal to 2 plus 5 plus 2. 2 plus 5 plus 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 2, 9 square centimeter. So 9 square centimeter is the total area of this irregular figure. Because I have split them into 3 rectangles, then I have added all the areas to get a total area. Understood? The problem, the same way like the previous problem, we are going to discuss. Split the following shapes into rectangles and find their areas. The measures are given in centimeters. The same like previous problem, but this figure is somewhat interesting and it is very easy. Okay, so here we are going to split this. Okay, based upon the given figure, I am just going to split that into 2 rectangles. Okay, so I am just going to split this. So here this is 2 centimeter means this is also 2 centimeter. So 8 plus 2, 10. So what is the length of this triangle? 10 centimeter, and this is 2 because this is 2, right? So this is also 2. So length is 10 centimeter and breadth is your 2 centimeter. So in this figure, total length is 12, correct? In this 12, if I subtract 2, what is this length? 10, because this is also 10, this is also 10. So here length is 10 centimeter, breadth is 2 centimeter. So this is what your first rectangle, this is your second rectangle. Okay, I have just found out. So now I am going to find the area of first rectangle. What is the area of the first rectangle? L into B. What is the length of this first rectangle, children? 10 into what is the breadth? 2. 10 twos are 20 square centimeter, because here also the units are given in centimeter. Next, area of second rectangle, L into B. What is the length of this? This is also 10 into breadth is 2. 10 twos are 20 square centimeter. So what is the total area? Is equal to 20 plus 20, 40 square centimeter. So this is what the total area of that particular figure. Okay, next is your B problem. I am just going to draw the figure. So this is somewhat, it is easy only, but it looks like squares. So everything are small squares, children. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay. Now we are going to find the total area of that figure. Okay, we are going to find this total area of this figure. Okay. Now I am just going to separate them like a small rectangle. I am drawing a dotted line. Since this is one small square, 7, 7, 7, 7. This is also 7. So here also this will be 7 because this is one square. 7, 7, 7, 7. Okay. So here this is one rectangle, correct? This is one small square. This is one small square. Yes. I have segregated them into 2 rectangles. So what is this first? This is my rectangle and this is small square and this small square. Okay. See, we separate them as rectangle. That's why I am separating this one as rectangle and these two okay. So first this is the first. This is your one. Okay. Now I am just finding the area of first rectangle. Okay, what rectangle? L into B. Okay, what is the length here? 7 plus 7. If I add all, it is 20. The breadth is 7. 21 in. Did you understand? 7 plus 7. 21 7. So 21 into 7 are 7. 7 2s are 40. So 147 square centimeter. Next, area of square. Okay, this is what your square. All the sides are 7. Per side into means 7 into 7. 7 7 39 square centimeter. Then area of third. Area of third square is what? Side into Okay, 7 into 7, 14 square centimeter, because here also the side is 7 centimeter. So now total area, okay, now what we have to find, total area is equal 140 plus 40 plus 49. So 147, 49, 49. Yes, 18, 7, 25, 12, 14, 1, 1. 40 square centimeter is the total area of this figure. Okay, 240 so square centimeter is area of this total figure. Understood? Next is your C problem. Okay, this is the figure. We are supposed to segregate them into two rectangles. Okay, if possible, you convert everything as rectangle. Otherwise, like last problem, one rectangle and two squares. Like that also you can do. Okay, so this first I'll write the given length and all. Okay, this 4, 1. Okay, now I'm just joining a dotted line. If this is 1 centimeter, this is also 1 centimeter. So 4 is the length and 1 is the breadth. Now 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5. So this is 5, this is also 5. So 5 is the length, 1 is the breadth. So this is your first rectangle, this is your second rectangle. Okay, as usual. Okay, now find the area of first rectangle. What is the formula? L into B. What is the length of the first rectangle? 4. What is the breadth of the first rectangle? 1. 4 ones are 4 square centimeter. Next, area of second rectangle. Area of second rectangle is what? L into B. So for 5 into 1. 5 square centimeter. Okay, because this is 5 is the length and 1 is the breadth. Total area is equal. Now I got the area of first rectangle, second rectangle. So total area is equal to 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is 9 square centimeter. So I have segregated them into two rectangles and then I have added to find the total area. Understood? Your 12th problem. What is the question? How many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively will be needed to fit in a rectangular region whose length and breadth respectively? Okay, now they are asking how many tiles are needed for fixing in a rectangular region. See, one region is in rectangle shape. What is the length and breadth of that region? 144 centimeter is the length and 100 centimeter is the breadth of the region. In that we are fixing a rectangle shaped tiles. Okay. So what is the length and breadth of that tiles? 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So we are how many tiles are needed to fix in this rectangular region? That is what our question. So first what you should find, you need to find the total length of the area of this region. Then you should find the length of the area of this one tiles. Then if you divide this total region by one tile, you will get the number of tiles. Okay, first area of rectangular region. Okay, area of rectangular region is equal to length into breadth. What is length here? 144. What is breadth here? 100. So 14400 square centimeter is the area of the rectangular region. Okay, next area of one rectangular tile. Okay, one rectangular tile. That also we need length into breadth. What is the length and breadth of the tile? 12 and 5. Correct? So 12 into 5. 12 5s are 60 square centimeter. So if you divide this total rectangular region by this rectangular tile, you will get the number of tiles required. So number of tiles required is equal to area of a rectangular region divided by area of one rectangular tile. Okay, what is the area of rectangular region? 14400 divided by 60. Now can we cancel it? 0 0 cancel in two table. 2 3s are 2 7s are 2 2s are 4 0. Then 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 1, 4 3s are 12 0. So how many tiles are required? 240 tiles are required to fill this rectangular region. What given in that question? 250 tiles are required. Next B problem, 70 centimeter and 36 centimeter. Okay, 70 centimeter and 36 centimeter. So actually there is a region. What is the breadth of region? 70 centimeter and 36 centimeter. We are going to fix rectangle tiles at 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter. That we are supposed to find the number of tiles. Okay, as usual. So area of a rectangular region. Area of a rectangular region is length into breadth. What is the length? 70. What is the breadth? 36. So 36 into 7. 42, 1, 4, 7 3s are 21, 25. So 2520 square centimeter is the area of this rectangular region. Area of this rectangular region. Next, area of one rectangular tile. Twelve into 5, okay, 12 5s are 60 square centimeter, right? So I have find the area of one required tile. Now number of tiles required is equal to area of a rectangular region divided by area of one rectangular tile. Okay, what is the area of rectangular region, children? In the previous thing, 2520, right? 2520 divided by 60. 0 0 cancel. Cancelling in two table. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1, 2 6 are 12. Then in 3 table, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6. So what is the final answer, children? 42, right? So how many tiles are required to tile that rectangular region? 42 tiles are required. So this is what your last problem from this exercise, children, and this is the last problem in this chapter. So in this chapter we have discussed how to find the perimeter, area, everything. I hope you all understood. So what you're doing is, once again you recall whatever you have learned in this chapter, especially the formulas, okay, how the formula has derived, and based upon that you solve some extra problems. So you'll get a clear idea about this particular chapter. I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.